Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, I want to give you an update here on Nikola Corporation, ticker NKLA. We have to talk about the actual price action and where is the bottom, and if we could see here a squeeze or even a short squeeze for Nikola. I give you my full prediction based on the chart. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice, it is just my opinion here based on the technicals. So guys, when we see the overall chart here for Nikola trading now here at 78 cents, which is a little bit critical because this ticker is trading here on the Nasdaq, and if you want to be Nasdaq compliant, you need to have a price above $1. We can see that here is not that much volume coming in. When we see the volume structure here from this chart, yes, the volume is increasing here, especially since October 2024. But the reason, guys, is not because bulls are waiting here. The reason is this is here Dilution. Nikola has a float now of around 84 million shares. And we can see that the float in October here, split adjusted after the stock split, which we had in July, is just 50 million shares. Now we have a float of more than 80 million shares. And that was here back in August. They started to dilute the stock, especially here. You can see after the split, the dilution started here to happen in October, between October and November here. And this is the reason why we have this massive increasement of the volume here. And just to show you what happened here, if a company is diluting a stock, we can see that here, that was here back during that time when the dilution started here. We can see that the ticker here, Nikola, tanked down. If we just measure now here the lowest point, sorry guys, until today, we lost here minus 66%. So dilution is a short squeeze killer, and this is of course also one of the reasons why the short sellers are shorting Nikola heavily. They have been shorted it already before, but now they are even more sure that the price will not recover naturally from that. Be very careful, guys. Hyzon, the ticker Hyzon Motors, is also delisted already. Nikola is not yet a potential delisting candidate, but when we see the market capital of just $66 million and the price below $1, guys, it's getting not better, because the company has to regain also here, or has to have a market capital of at least $50 million. $35 million is enough, but you know, when the price is dropping down again 20, 30, 40, 50%, we will also lose the Nasdaq compliance here, so be very careful with that. So, however, guys, there is always a chance for a squeeze. We can see that Nikola has spikes here in between to give you a feeling about the volatility here. 45% spikes like that are possible. We usually retesting here this purple EMA line in the chart, which is now waiting here at $1.50. So that would bring us almost a price increasement of 100%. And we have also here one hidden signal in the chart. We have this open gap here at $1.41, which is one of the next price targets. So let's now check the chart. Before we dive in here into the technicals, guys, I always present here short squeeze stocks on my channel. Not only I present them, I try to predict them, and we had now here a huge, massive squeeze here. One of my January tickers here, which I posted on Patreon, started to squeeze. You can see the ticker was trading sideways here for a couple of days. This is a 4 hours chart. Around 2 weeks here after I posted that, we have now here almost a 800% short squeeze. I always try to predict short squeezes here on my channel. Around December here, we had also squeezes between 107 and 480% after my prediction, of course. And every Sunday I release here my very popular hot stocks. This is my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, which also have high squeeze potential. You can see here some of the member feedback. So if you want to see those short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join in here our Patreon full package membership. This is the most popular membership which I have, where every day new people joining in. You get here a lot of benefits, guys. And if you also want to join in, please click here the info icon in the corner to get access to the Patreon member link. So sorry guys, my voice is a little bit weak. Let's now check here what's going on with Nikola. Let's talk about the technicals. As I mentioned before, here in the daily chart, this purple EMA line here is a natural resistance. But as I said, the chance that we retest this is also very high. The RSI looks good, guys. It looks good. It's possible that we have something here like a temporary bottom to fulfill. This squeeze price move here looks very promising here. And also, in my opinion, the lowest price target which the trading algos have is around 68 cents. We're trading on here 78 cents. So there is a little bit more of downside potential possible, but in my opinion, guys, 68 cents, this is not financial advice, just what I measured here based on the chart, could be one of the next price goals here before we see this gap close here to happen. So if Nikola starts to squeeze here a little bit more than 100%, 120%, don't get too excited. This is an technical algo reaction here. Also, you can see that the market makers start to gap down here the price. We had here one gap down, and then of course Nikola recovered from that and closed this open gap here at 76 cents. Now we're trading here somewhere in that range, and the usual support, the usual algo, temporary algo support, which we have here, is between 81 cents and 96 cents, so very close to the $1 range. That's why I think the chance that we see a squeeze above $1 is still there, but don't forget, guys, yeah, 24% short interest, almost 25%, so the market makers will try to bring the price back down below $1. That is my opinion. It is very possible that we see here a technical squeeze reaction, but that doesn't mean that this is the beginning of a bigger short squeeze. In my opinion, guys, yeah, if we want to see here a bigger short squeeze for Nikola, technically it is possible, but the dilution, guys, if they don't stop to dilute the stock, it will be very difficult. We can see that we have no violent price actions here since, yeah, I don't know, guys, this is not enough here. This is not enough to see here a squeeze. The last good squeeze was here, yeah, $17. Yeah, it's also just 100%. That is the problem, guys. Here is not enough volatility ongoing to see a big short squeeze. We have a lot of open gaps. We have squeeze trigger price targets here. But for now, in a perfect trading world, guys, in a perfect trading world, Nikola should see a squeeze here until $7, $8 here in that range here. Latest here, $9.50 is the biggest resistance in the chart. This is technically possible, but you know, the two-digit price range is getting, the chance to see that gets lower and lower, especially when they continue to dilute the stock. If they don't dilute anymore, guys, and we can get some volume here, then we have a chance to talk about a short squeeze here. But of course, I will update you here on my channel when this happens, guys. So keep that in mind. We have these price levels here to watch out right now for a technical algo squeeze. My personal price goal is 68 cents, where the demand algos are waiting, and the usual support price range is here 81 cents to 96 cents, which means when Nikola squeeze above that, we have a very good chance to see here a pump. And what I expect is at least $1.41 here, $1.40, $1.50, this price range sorry, is what I expect here for a squeeze. In a perfect world with a perfect volume spike here, we could even touch $3. That would bring here a complete squeeze if, you know, we touch all the price levels here of 300%. But I think here somewhere in the 100, 120, 150% range is absolute possible here for Nikola. Yeah, guys, if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. I use that for all my videos and all my trades, and I can just recommend that program, especially if you want to learn trading, guys. Yeah, you can also get here a discount link, $15 on the premium tier. If you use my TradingView link, you can click here the info icon in the corner to get access to the TradingView discount link. My friends, that was the update on Nikola. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And yeah, see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.